Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here. I'd like to thank you for stopping by my channel today. Particularly thank you for stopping by and watching this video. And I hope that you're having a good day today. Before I get going, if this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I try to put out videos regularly that is beneficial to you who are seeking or working already achieving things in network marketing and affiliate marketing and online marketing in general. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. And also, if you get something out of this today, go ahead and click the like button and help me out there. That helps me out when you do that. And also, if you want to leave a comment, that's appreciated too. So today I want to dive into really an exciting topic. It's something that's personal to me. And it combines the power of entrepreneurship with the fulfillment, the satisfaction of helping others. And so we'll be discussing the benefits and satisfaction of helping others through network marketing or MLM today. All right. And so let's go ahead and begin. So let's establish a common understanding of network marketing. In a nutshell, network marketing is a business model that allows individuals to build their own business by promoting and selling products or services through a network of distributors, through a team of distributors. And the unique aspect of network marketing lies on its emphasis on the teamwork, support, and mentorship. Let me say that again. The unique aspect of success in network marketing lies on its emphasis on teamwork, support, and mentorship. So how does helping others fit into this equation? Well, before I go deeper into that, let me tell you a little bit about myself. First of all, aside from network marketing, set that aside for a minute. Since a young kid, I've always been involved with helping others that were less fortunate, helping others struggle. I remember probably about 9 or 10 years old. I was going door to door collecting money for a charity. My mother's like, "What are you doing?" Because back then kids could just roam all over the place. You can't do that today. But I come back with all this money, and then I would have her send it to the charity that I was collecting the money for. I've always wanted to help people that were less fortunate to me, and I didn't have the most growing up. We were not a poor family, but we were not any upper middle class, anything like that. But I still wanted to help those who were less fortunate. So that's my whole life. And then when I discovered network marketing, and that was back in the mid to late 70s, I got involved with Amway. Of course, that's the granddaddy of network marketing, MLM. And I saw how network marketing really could help people that are less fortunate. Okay? So that's why I believe in network marketing. All right. So helping others really is the core of network marketing and MLM. One of the most rewarding aspects is the ability to positively impact people's lives. And when you introduce someone to a product or an opportunity or a service that can improve their health, their financial situation, their personal growth, you really become a catalyst for their success. And personally, witnessing that transformation and knowing that I played a part in it is really, truly satisfying. People get involved in network marketing for different reasons, but I'm just telling you, if you're about helping other people, that's definitely a good reason to be involved in network marketing. You help yourself and you help others at the same time. Network marketing offers more than just financial benefits. Engaging in this business model can lead to personal growth and personal development. And by helping others, you're constantly honing in on your communication skills, your leadership abilities, your problem-solving ability, but it has a lot of personal development growth. And as you mentor and support your team, because you have someone that sponsored you, and hopefully you have a good sponsor if you're involved in network marketing who's teaching you and mentoring you and training you, and then you pass it on. You're mentoring your team, and you're supporting your team. And what will happen when you're doing that, you'll find yourself growing as an individual and gaining valuable life skills. So let's address the financial aspects, because that really, as much as you want to help people, if you're not getting anything financially out of it, if they're not getting anything financially out of it, then what's the use? What the heck? So let's take a look at that. Network marketing provides an opportunity to achieve, really, honestly, financial freedom. The company I'm involved with in network marketing at this moment is called LiveGood. The top paying affiliate who's making over $100,000 a month, when he started back 6 months ago in LiveGood as a LiveGood affiliate, he was homeless. He was living in a homeless shelter. He was in a wheelchair. He had a government subsidized phone. All right, and in 6 months' time, he was able to go from a homeless wheelchair person to a wealthy person. Think about that, $100,000 a month in 6 months' time. What other business does that? So, it really does, MLM, network marketing, whatever you want to call it, really does provide an opportunity to achieve financial freedom even for the little men. And by building a strong network and leveraging the power of duplication, you can create a passive income stream. This means that your income can continue to grow even when you're not actively working. You can be sitting, going on vacation, going to a cabin in the woods or whatever, and you're still making money, being out of the beat. There's another high-level affiliate who's been in the hospital, very, very sick for a couple of months. He's not been able to work his business, but he's still making money because of the networking opportunity of network marketing. So helping others succeed within your network, when you're being a good mentor, when you're being a good supporter, and they're in your network, it directly contributes to your own financial success. So you're helping them, they're succeeding, you're succeeding. Another incredible benefit of network marketing is a sense of community and camaraderie. People work together. It's just all about, it's like teamwork. Everybody wants to see each other succeed. And working together, towards a common goal creates a supportive environment where everyone uplifts and encourages each other. In a job, everybody's like on top of each other, because I want the promotion, I want to get the raise. And so it's not always necessarily people are looking out for each other in a job, but in network marketing, because everybody benefits. With the expression, when a tide rises, all boats rise too. Same thing with network marketing. Okay, when everybody's benefiting, everybody's rising. So you really become a part of a tribe that shares the same values, the same visions, and same passion for personal growth and helping others. Now, one of the most fulfilling aspects of network marketing is the opportunity to create a ripple effect in positive change. Because, by helping others succeed, you empower them to do the same for others. So you're benefiting by the financial growth. You're helping someone to benefit by the financial growth, and then it ripples on to them helping others, and them helping others, and so on and so on. And this chain reaction can really lead to a remarkable transformation, not just in individuals' lives, but also communities and societies as a whole. Because there are a lot of people who, when they rise up, they help others. When they're making a little bread, they pass, bring out some bread to others. So success in this business model depends on individuals' effort, their dedication, and their adherence to ethical practices. And it's important to mention that while network marketing can provide numerous benefits, it really is essential to do thorough research and join a reputable company. Look, as I mentioned, I think I mentioned earlier, I got involved with network marketing in the 70s, all right? And I started with the Amway, and I've got involved with a couple of other ones. And all companies aren't reputable. Some companies make it really hard for you to earn your income. Some companies make it difficult for you to earn it. Some companies put out trash products or all kind of stuff that just doesn't benefit people. So it's important that you get involved with a company that is adhering to ethical practices. So, you know, and let me say, in all my years of experience in network marketing, honestly, I've only found one company that is designed to help everyone make money. The concept of network marketing is designed that way, but how the company structures or set up usually is not the case. Usually it's designed for the big dog, the guy on top, to make the big money. You know, and that's what I've seen through all my years. I've not found one that really looks out for the little dog, the little man, the one that's struggling at the bottom, the one that just comes in, until now. And the company that I've found, it really is designed to help everyone make money. Even the little man, even the one that has very little money, and heck, even those in third world countries. I mean, people in third world countries are climbing to the top in LiveGood. I mean, this company's just amazing. I mean, you know, the company, I just said it, the company's called LiveGood. You see what I had? You know, honestly, I've never seen anything like it before. I mean, there's no auto ships. There's no mandatory product purchases. No BV or PV or GV or no type of requirements. You know, if you earn your money, you get paid. You don't have to have a leg over here and hopefully you make money over here. It's not designed that way. It's designed, if you earn the money, you make the money. And the cool thing, because there's no mandatory product purchases, you know, you're not having to fill up your garage with soaps and potions and lotions and all that kind of stuff. All right. Except if you want to buy the product, great, buy the product. If you don't want to buy the product, heck, don't buy the product. It's up to you. I mean, you know, and when I talk about this company really being a company that wants to help everyone, the little man, even those in struggling countries, I mean, you can even make up to $2,000 a month recurring income, monthly income, even if you did absolutely nothing. If you never recruited anyone, never sold to anyone, but you just stayed a member, you can make up to $2,000 a month. Now, how long will that take? It's going to build up over time. It's not going to happen overnight. You can't join today and then make $2,000 a month next month doing nothing. All right, it's going to happen over time, but it does happen. And as you're building toward that $2,000 a month, you're still making a little money each month as it grows. I mean, who does this? What company does this? I've never seen this before. Everybody that wants to make money can make money with this company. All right. Now, let me back up a bit. I'm not making income claims. I'm just telling you how the comp plan works, is that in time, you really can make money with this company even if you don't do anything, but that's not what you want to do. Why wait months or years to get to that $2,000 a month when you could really be working this business as a real business, all right, as a real business, and be making way more than $2,000 a month, you know? And the thing is, the products that this company have are legit products. I mean, they're healthy products, they're pure, they're organic, they're plant-based, and as I mentioned, and the big thing is, they're very economical. You know, a lot of companies, they'll have a product that maybe costs them $7 to manufacture, $5 to manufacture, but they're charging, $60, $50 for the product because they've got to pay on the product. They've got to pay all the downlines. We don't do that with LiveGood. All right, we don't have to worry about any of that. These products are very economical. I mean, sometimes up to 80, 90% off of retail, you can get these same health products that people have been paying for, lots of money. And so that's the benefit of LiveGood. Good products, healthy products, economical products. The financial plan where you can make money helping others. Isn't that great? You can make money by helping others. All right. So it's clear, if you understood what I've said today, it's clear that network marketing offers incredible benefits and satisfaction to helping others. I mean, from personal growth and financial freedom to a strong sense of community and the ability to make a positive impact on others and community and your community. I mean, this business model of network marketing, particularly, I'm going to emphasize, particularly LiveGood, provides a unique platform for personal and collective success. So, my friends, I thank you for joining us today. I talked about LiveGood. If you're interested in finding out more about LiveGood, take a free tour. There's no cost to take a free tour, and there's a link down below in the description. And by you taking a free tour, you'll see how people join this company behind you in the power line. And you'll see there's usually several thousand, I think it's like 3,000 people a day are joining in this power line. So by taking a free tour, you get yourself in a place where you can see where people are joining LiveGood, and you can also take a look at the back office and see what all is going on in the dashboard and all that behind the scenes stuff that's beneficial. And the thing is, I mentioned, that 3,000 people a day are joining. We're almost at 500,000 people being members of LiveGood, and we're only 6 months old. I don't know if any other company has ever done that before. All right, but we're expecting to be like at 1 million by the year's end. So if you're coming in now, those people that join have to come under somebody, because the company's only a 2 by 15 matrix, and so people have got to come in under somebody. So if you join in now, you have the potential these other 500,000 to be coming in behind you to be in your downline, so that you can make income from that too. All right. So the immense potential the network marketing can hold for potential growth, financial freedom, and the joy of helping others. Remember, I started out about that. The joy of helping others and helping yourself at the same time. So hopefully you've gotten something out of my video today. Hopefully I've shed some light on network marketing. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like it, please, and subscribe to my channel. And, you can share it too. There's nothing wrong with sharing it. Letting other people know the benefits, the power of network marketing, can helping yourself and helping others to financial freedom, financial growth. And remember, together as a team, we can all achieve greatness. We can all make it to the top. So, my friends, I thank you again for listening today. I hope you got something out of it, and you have a foxtastic day, my friends, and we'll see you in the next video.